Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make oven smoked catfish and bonito fish. It looks like mackerel but it's not mackerel, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it very clean with some lemon. You can as well clean it with some vinegar or salt if you have them available. So for the catfish, this is my very first time I'm going to be trying the catfish. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below what you think about catfish. Have you tried catfish before and how did it taste? Next, I'll go ahead and cut the fish into halves. Next, I'm going to go ahead and season it with 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning. I'll massage to season the fish until it's nicely done. You can as well soak them or dip them in salted water for about half an hour before baking. So whilst I'm seasoning the fish, I've already preheated my oven to about 350 degrees Celsius. And I'll go ahead and lie them on a baking tray. And I'll be baking it for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden. And at this point, our oven smoked catfish and bonito fish is all done and looking very nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more amazing videos. And I'm going to see you in my next video.